Cool, hey, look at the size of that one. Wow, look at that. Don't want the robin to find you. Oh dear.